Hello guys, welcome on programs overview of washing machine Siemens iSensoric. So the first program, it's a standard cotton. The next one is a Eco mode. There we have a synthetics and gentle. The next one is a wool. This one is for a mixed clothes, and this is a water rinsing. The next one is a water draining and spinning. There we have a self-drum cleaning. This one is for a speed washing, and there we have a hygienic. This one is a automatic, and there we have automatic gentle washing. The last function is a smart finish. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.